ice cream.
What kind of flavor?
Police constable or policeman. Now the video I eat the buff and I say it tastes like ice cream. If you watch a video right now, never have a problem with it, you know. Never have a problem with it. You see, because your thing are your thing, my thing are my thing. You get me? You know, I come bash you still, but we have to talk about it now if you are subscribers. So if it's your first time here, sure subscribe now, click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. So my people, there's a viral video going around with a member of the JCF in a video in a car doing, of course, what you know. You see it? Now, it is the hottest thing right now. People are talk about it, people are give them opinion, people are say this, people are say that. But first, let me just say this because you know say I have a whole lot of ignorant people out here where they're ignorant enough to just come on your page for just start be a foolishness and show a whole heap of tantrum. Let me just say this. Me not busy where a man wants to do, as where you can see at the starting of the video what me say. Me not care where a man want to do because a man thing different from my thing. You get me? And a whole heap of people are do it on a style too. It just have me that him brawling with him thing, which I'm not busy about that. That's not my thing. The main reason why I come talk about this to my viewers, subscribers, as I can see, this channel is not based off of gossips and all of them drama thing. The main reason why I come talk about this is because it is said that Mr. Man is actually on a suicidal watch. You get me? Because it is said that this man here is married. He have him youth, them and him wife. You get me? Allegedly. And the video will go viral right now. So him actually on a whole pressure cause people know him, people are reach out to him, people are say what you are going with. You see it's not like say yo him do it and it never video and do him thing on a style or whatever the case may be, but it is out there, it everywhere. You see it, so people are talk about it like the man like him did want it video too. You see it, my people, you see me? What I want to say is that you see if you all of the people do them things here, you see you're free to do what you want. You see that Jamaica is a free country. You can do anything you want. But you see when you have people who hold you to a certain standard in society or in life, you have to be careful what you do. You get me? Like if you do certain things, you have to ensure say yo you keep it between you and whoever you do things with, you see, because when something like that go viral now and you have your people, your wife, your youth, them will look up to you and you see this now, you see it, the joke is not really on you, the joke is on them, you see me, that's the reason why I come really talk about this. I never come talk about this based off of what you might do or how the video go viral or whatever. The mere fact is that this man here is and people are say yo him is a police and yo a human being same way, you know, people kind of hold certain people to a certain standard in society and me I feel wonder a human being them same way. You see it's just the manner of how him go about it in a uniform, you see me, so that did my viewers subscribers the man say yo thing tastes like Roman raisin ice cream, so you know what say yo me tap eat ice cream after today. A joke. But with your subscribers, what we basically say is that, you see me, like, it's not the mere fact say I do it. You see it? The issue with me have problem with is that the man name uniform, you see it? JCF, uniform, the man is a married man, the man have youth, the man have wife, you get me? And just imagine if him wife go see him wife I go see it, the video gone viral and him youth them, just imagine oh that look on film side and I really him, you know, cause people have him as big name is long time, you know, so him only get more popular, you see me. It's just that his wife now probably don't even know, cause sometimes you have some man that have some woman and woman even know how them stay, or maybe she know but she didn't expect him to go out and go do them things there. You see it on video, cause all me know is that the man know say that video. You see it, me no know who get paid or me no know my viewers subscribers, but it just never look appropriate to me, and it's not the mere fact say I do it. I don't care about that, a theme style that, a theme business that, but the mere fact say me I'm uniform and I'm having people them will look up to him and you get me, and it could be a possibility say yo in people them don't even know him as the type of person there. So just think about it, my viewers subscribers, before come over here with ignorance, and I see you just think about what me really say. You get me? The viewer subscribers. But when I go stay too long on the topic here, because as I said, the caption or the title for the video, I want to talk about this. So last night, Popcaan and Bobby Shmurda upon live. Maybe I watched the live now, but unfortunately I never have enough space to video it. You get me, people, and you see me not gonna lie, me tell you this. Me rate Popcaan. Me not gonna lie, me rate Popcaan. You see it, him are the poster boy for Jamaica. Arguably, everybody know that. They might even come talk about Alkaline a lot, but we can't take this away from Popcaan, no matter what. Him are the poster boy for Jamaica. You see it, and I just have a strong feeling, say yo, a collab come between him and Bobby Shmurda. And if you're new to this and you don't know who is Bobby Shmurda, he's actually the rapper that sing Hot Nigga back well couple years well back, and he was charged for crime he committed, and actually was singing in that song. His whole team, GS9, got charged and locked up. You get me? However, it did this time. You get me? And him never fall, him never bend. Why? Him come back out the road and people kind of honor him, people kind of respect him because him hold him on. He never go sell out or do this way if you get a short of time. You get me? So people rate him, and you see the man kind of respect Popcaan to the level. Let me have to say, yo, John, the way me hear the man attack the Popcaan, and me say, yes, Popcaan, and you with ya. A whole heap of people respect you in the industry, you know. You see me, even though a whole power my probably have much internet, me man say yo, him come on, him not come on. You see me, so that's why when the man you not compare him with some artists, the man get bingo. You see, because the man think not come on, me viewer subscribers. You see me, but when I love to see a feature between Popcaan and Bobby Shmurda. You see it, worse like how him hot right now. A whole heap of artists want a feature with him right now. You get me? Because in the music industry, artists like to ride the wave of clout. You get me? Not saying that people will do a song with him because of clout. It's the mere fact say him fresh out of prison and a whole heap of eyes on him right now. People are watching. The man actually gained 2.5 million followers in less than 9 hours. You get me? Of him releasing from prison. So people kinda watch him right now. So whichever artist in do a collab with now, the song now for art, a whole heap of people are go check it out. A whole heap of people are go meditate. So if Popcaan can get a feature, it is actually good for him right now. You see me? And as I said, would I love if they work on a feature together, because Popcaan a good artist, Bobby Shmurda still not in prime to me because him did have some song I kinda rate him, and Rebel, what him name? Raddy Rebel, the youth there. When I'm close with them, when they get charged with them as well. I want to rap what I like. So if you follow up the, well, wipe on the lap. It's a rap on my rate. But if you follow up with the rapping thing and the rapping industry, you must know Bobby Shmurda. You get me? Popcaan and him was on Facebook IG live last night talking, and you know the respect is there, my viewers, subscribers. So we would love to see a collab between the two. You know it go already, my viewers, subscribers. But comment in the comment section below what you think about the JCF, the member of the constabulary force. You see it eating the buff in his uniform. Like the mere fact that he's doing it but in his uniform and he's married. That more to talk about. Until next time, just vibe trader. I'm out.